As artificial intelligence continues to advance, you can now animate any image in seconds, even without prior experience. Today, I'm sharing 5 of the best tools to help you animate your photos. Let me walk you through each one, so you can easily understand how to use them. But before that, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It's free to you, but it will help me create more useful tutorials in the future. Vidu AI is an excellent free tool for animating images. By clicking the link given in the description below, you will come to Vidu AI website. To get started, first sign up, create a free user account and then log in. After login, you will have this interface in front of you. You can see that you have got 80 free credits, which is enough to create about 20 videos, as it takes 4 credits to create each video. Furthermore, 80 credits are recharged in your account every month. But if you want to make more videos, you can get credit by logging in with different email accounts. To get started, click on Image to Video button, and here upload the image you want to animate. In the description box, if you want to give a prompt for your image, you can give it. It's optional, I leave it blank. Below, select the duration of the video between 4 or 8 seconds. 8 seconds video is not available in the free plan, it is only included in the subscription plan. Similarly, by clicking on the speed button you can choose between speed or quality. Finally, click on the create button to start the processing, and this will cost you 4 credits. Just in 30 seconds, this AI created a video for us, and it's very quick response. Let's play this video. You can see that it has provided an excellent animated video. To improve the quality of the video, click on the upscale button. By clicking the confirm button it will upscale your video in 4 credits. After upscaling, the video quality is much better than before. Click the download button to download the video. Now let's try reference to video option. Upload an image you want to animate. Enter your prompt in the description box, click on the create button. In a few seconds, AI has generated the video for you according to your prompt. Hedra is a cutting-edge AI platform designed to revolutionize video creation and storytelling. After signing up with your Google or Discord account, you have to click on this Try Beta button. Then you will have this interface in front of you. Here we have 3 different options. We have audio, character and video. Now let's try uploading an image we have. For this purpose, we select an image by clicking the upload button. Once you upload your picture, you don't need to enter any prompts. Just in the audio section, you have to write the sentences that you want your character to say. Now hit the generate video button and it will start the processing. In a short time it has generated our video. Let's check out the final result.
Hedra AI is a powerful tool that allows users to generate lifelike human characters that can speak, sing or rap based on simple text and image inputs.
It has provided an excellent result. The head movements look natural for the most part and the lip sync is pretty much spot on. I really like it. The third in this list is Hyper AI. A powerful tool for content creators, designers, and AI enthusiasts who want to make videos more appealing and engaging. All these stunning videos you are watching are generated with the help of Hyper AI. Feel the magic vibes as Hyper AI video generator breathes new life into your static pics. After clicking on the link given in the description, we will enter the Hyper AI website. Although there are many options here like text to image, text to video, image to video, extend duration, video enhancer, video to video, but since our topic is image to video we will click image to video button. After that, by clicking on the first frame image button we will upload our image that we want to animate. In the description box, if you want to give a prompt for your image, you can give it. It's optional, I leave it blank. By clicking on this 4 seconds button we can select our duration from 4 seconds and 8 seconds. By clicking on the HD button, we can choose the resolution between SD and HD. After that we can click on this icon to choose the camera moment, like zoom, pan, tilt effects. Once we are satisfied with all our settings we will click on the Create button. In a while, our video generation process is complete and the video is ready for us. Let me play and show you. By clicking on this icon we can get all the information related to the video like aspect ratio, resolution, camera control etc. If you are not satisfied with the result, you can regenerate the video by clicking the Regenerate button. By clicking this icon, you can extend your video for another 4 seconds. We can improve the quality of the video by clicking the Enhance button. Download the final result to your device. Kling AI is an advanced artificial intelligence tool designed to revolutionize video creation by generating high-quality videos. It leverages cutting-edge AI technologies to produce realistic simulations and movie-quality visuals using advanced AI models. After clicking on the link given in the description below, the Kling AI website will open in front of you. Here you can see we have a couple of different options, like AI images and AI videos. First we will click on the AI videos button and after that we will click on the image to video button. By clicking here, we upload our image that we want to animate. In the prompt box, type your prompt what we want to see in our image. With the help of this motion brush tool, we can control the movement of various objects in our image, for which we have to click on Draw Motions. Inside, we can control how we want specific elements of our image to move. It takes a few seconds to analyze the image. When it's done you'll have this auto segmentation tool, which basically uses AI to select parts of the image. I'll select the airplane in this image. In the Settings tab, we can use a slider to control creativity and relevance. The higher the slider is to more the video follows a prompt, and the closer the slider is to creativity, the more freedom the video generator has to create what it wants. Next we have the video length, choose between 5 and 10 seconds. With number of generations, you can generate 1 to 4 videos simultaneously. After satisfied with your settings, click Generate button to start the processing. You can see that it has provided an amazing animated video as per our prompt. The result is really astonishing. It looks exactly like a real plane landing. The fifth and the last one in this list is Kling AI. This is one of my favorite tools on the list. It is a powerful and versatile AI video generator, and it is completely free to use. First you have to open this website. You will find its link in the description. Here you can see what they mentioned. Turn your still photos into dynamic videos with Kling Online AI Photo Animator in a few clicks, bringing every frame to life. By clicking on the Get Started button, we will create our account. We can sign up through Facebook, Google and email. After creating a new account, 100 credits are added to your account. With these credits, you can animate 10 images for free. To start the image to video AI generation process, here in the left panel, click on the Upload button and upload the image you want to animate. In the negative prompt, you can write the things you don't want to add to your image. Here you can see that they are given 2 modes, one is standard mode and the other is professional mode. And in the description box we can enter our prompt, which is optional. I leave it blank. From the styles category you can choose any style from the different styles available here in which style you want to convert your image. Click Generate button to start the processing. In a short time it has converted our image into a video. Let me show you by playing it. Click the Download button to download the video. If you are not satisfied with the result, you can also regenerate it. Here are some of the videos I made with this tool. You can see their amazing results. Clipfly is definitely a great tool to animate your images with ease. After watching this tutorial, I hope you'll be able to create some cool animations. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.